Are you tired of wasting your time watching videos online without getting anything in return? Look no further. In this video, I'll introduce you to the best Cash App that not only lets you watch short videos, but also pays you real money for doing so. Imagine earning while enjoying your favorite videos, all from the comfort of your own home. Say goodbye to mindless scrolling and hello to a rewarding way to spend your time. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Start earning real money today with the best Cash App in town. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing new amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And will be great if you comment down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Don't forget to check out the description box below for a treasure trove of amazing, tested, and effective techniques that will help you generate income from the comfort of your own home. Now, let's get started. Earn real money just by watching videos. Imagine being able to turn your spare time into extra cash effortlessly. With Givey Shorts app, you can earn while doing what you love, watching videos. Whether you're waiting for a bus, taking a break, or simply relaxing at home, you can now make money without any effort. Givey Shorts, the best Cash App that pays you real money for watching short videos. With Givey Shorts app, you can easily earn real money by watching short videos. It provides a seamless user experience, allowing you to effortlessly browse through a wide range of engaging videos and earn cash rewards in return. Say goodbye to mindless scrolling and hello to earning while you enjoy entertaining content. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Download Givey Shorts app now and start earning real money for simply watching short videos. It's time to make your screen time more valuable. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it thumbs up, comment, and share. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.